Out! Is that your mother? In the name of Jesus Christ. Out! Can you come and sit? Who brought you? When you were small, they say you are a prophet. When you were very little.
Something like that.
They say you are a prophet because you had lock of hair when you were born. Who is your junior brother?
It's Kingsley.
Kingsley. This one? Oh. So, have you traveled before?
To China.
But in the name of Jesus, let her go. It was a sacrifice that they made while you were little that rendered your potential foolish, useless, because they tied you to an idol because of that thing, and they started calling you prophet. That moved you into an addiction. You became addicted and life became terrible. In the name of Jesus, it's okay. It's settled. Look at me. Open your eyes. Where's your husband? What's he in the do?
I know you're English, now Yoruba here.
You know you're English? Now Yoruba here?
Yes.
Kí lọkọ ẹ ń ṣe?
Ó máa lọ sódò, ó máa lọ pẹja.
Ẹja ló ń pa. Ṣé wọ́n ń tẹja?
No, na pap herself.
You don't change again. I follow you. You know why I'm asking you? Look. Your husband has a woman that comes to him in the dream. Oh yeah, Pastor, take, go and finish. I'm done. Out! Why I'm saying it is, where's Pastor? I want that man to come and see me. If not, there's nothing that will work for him. All right? Even these children. So try and explain. Potentials that have been crippled because of misinformation. Someone told me that this your son has something and they tied him. He's traveled, he will come back. There's nothing he lays his hands upon to do and he'll prosper. But after today, the light of God separates you. Now, you're free.